I was hoping, I'm not gonna lie, they were talking about somebody new, but it's not, y'all. It's this past person. It is, because even I just scanned the bottom of the deck. So let me tell y'all what I'm seeing. I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking here, or seeing here. So basically, the universe is asking you guys to have patience. Remember, I always say, you never wait for anyone, right? But this person, I feel like they're working on him or working on her, so patience is still needed. You guys know that this is your person, even though they get on your last nerve. And you're like, why is this my person? You gave me the slowest one in the bunch. Why this one? You know, I want to move on my life, but oh no, it don't work out with anybody else because that's my person, and it's not fair that I have to wait. Believe me, I get it. I'm a Sagittarius rising, okay? I'm with y'all. So, Spirit is saying, unfortunately, that one over there riding the bus, that's yours, okay? He or she is yours. Now, this is your person. You know this. You can't stand this person because it's like they hurt you time and time again. They broke your trust. But Spirit is saying you have to have faith, right? Okay. The reason why I'm saying this is definitely your person. They want you to stop trying to control how things play out, which is why that card keeps coming out. Patience is still needed. They're still working on him or they're still working on her. This person is trying to heal a family situation. They need to make the effort to come towards you, but right now they're not happy in the situation that they're in. They know that you're their person. You are their soulmate. For some of you guys, this could be a twin flame situation, but they got to free themselves from a situation that they put themselves into. And they're hoping that you're staying optimistic about being with them because, see, I told you, they're not happy with the person that they're dealing with, and they're manifesting you into their life, and they want you to know when they come back, it is safe for you to love them, but right now, this person is still retreat from you. This is definitely a past person, hands down. You saw how I just did that. But y'all, I'm with you. I'm so with you. So a lot of you guys, you know, could have moved on. You're meeting someone new, but I mean, this person here, the fact that they're still showing up in your readings, whew. I know. Believe me, y'all. I know. Let's just see what comes out. They're afraid that things may not improve with you, but they're not confused. They want to be with you. They're just moving really slow right now. They're coming to have this new beginning because the Empress came out, and the sun just tried to jump out of my hand. So is there a pregnancy? Was there a baby that was born? Or there's like a child involved? Maybe this person wants to have a child with you. Because the Empress and the Sun? Yeah. What is happening? There's the Sun again. This person had you waiting. Okay, y'all, let's hop in because, see, they're like, look, you taking too long. And cards are getting ready to start jumping out your hand. All right. So let's see. Spirit, what messages do you have for Sagittarius, please? All right, Sag, let's go. Bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Pentacles reversed. So somebody's afraid that things may not improve with you. Let's see. Yeah, but they're coming back to turn things around. Okay. So looks like they made a decision. Okay. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with the Taurus, but I feel like this person wants a commitment with you. This person sees marriage with you. Okay. But they need to get out of a third-party situation. So for some of you, maybe your person is already married or they're in some type of commitment, but maybe they are married because they're waiting on a court judgment, you know, some type of decision, you know, to get out. So if they are going through a divorce, that's what they're waiting on. They are trying to remove themselves, though. For some of them, if there's like a contract, if there's just something going on, they're getting out of it. See, there is a third party. They're getting out of it. I feel like they're celebrating because this has been like a long fight for someone. But they're wanting to reach out to ask you out. You know, I feel like this person wants to celebrate with you. Let's see. Yeah, they've been battling themselves. I feel like there's just been a lot of arguing going on with your person and some type of third party. If they were in a relationship, a commitment, family, it's just been a lot that's been going on. And see, the way the Knight of Swords just came out, I feel like this person wants to rush back in to work on things with you, but they're moving really slow because they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. See, again, they're afraid they're not going to have this new opportunity, a new beginning. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Somebody also could be dealing with an Aries. But yeah, this is why balance wasn't here. Maybe somebody feels like, financially speaking, them getting out of some type of commitment or contract, you know, financially speaking, they're going to be afraid that their money isn't looking right, you know. Look at that. Didn't I tell y'all this is your person? Hands down. This is, and what just opened up in my hands? Temperance reverse. Okay. Sagittarius. That was your card that just opened up really creepy in my hand, okay? So, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius, but if not, this is your person. Y'all already know this. We know this, but we're tired, okay? So, this is definitely a soulmate situation for some of you guys. This is your twin flame. It is. And I feel like, you see how this time, it's always like both of them will be reversed. One will be reversed. One is upright. Both of you guys are in the same position. You're both sitting up, upright. It's like you want the same thing, but y'all are just tired of them. And it's like, if you're going to make a move, you need to come on. But they're worried, you know. Let's see. Too many. This person's worried, you know. Yep, because see, they were being very immature, very childish towards you in the past, Sagittarius. And yes, they want to have a new beginning with you, but they're not content. I feel like this person is worried about their money right now. That could be where their focus is, because I told you, financially speaking, they felt like they weren't okay. See, I can't make this up. It's their money. They don't have a peace of mind about their finances right now, and I feel like this is why they had that was one of the hold up reasons why they couldn't move forward with you, Sagittarius. But I'm seeing that they don't want you to wait around on them anymore because they're tired of having you wait. They want to come in, and so they're getting ready to make a move. King of Pentacles. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but I'm telling you, they've been stressing out about money. But you will get an offer from them. Tell me more. But this person, they're not positive about giving you this offer because they're afraid you're going to cut them off for good. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Back and forth with 4 cups and the 3 of wands. Okay, so in one breath, this person wants to start over and build with you. And so this is them coming to give you an offer. But in the same breath, they're afraid that you don't want to build with them anymore. You're not going to accept this offer because you cut them off for good. You know, I feel like the last time y'all spoke, y'all was just kind of like, enough is enough. You know, y'all gave this person the business. You're like, I'm not doing this anymore. See? You didn't balance things out. This is what you're telling them, like, no. And they know they didn't. Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius. But see, yeah, this person was moving extremely slow. And that was the problem. They were moving slow because they were in some type of codependent situation, whether it's with a love interest, a family member, a combination of all of it, career, whatever, friends. But I'm seeing here that the truth is coming out. They're coming to speak their truth. They just don't know how exactly to say this to you, what exactly to say. It's like every time I feel like they get the courage, it's like their words get jumbled up because they messed up with you bad. They know that they didn't do right by you. You were the one that kept trying to make things work. And, you know, they kept brushing you off like, okay, yeah, whatever. But they messed up, and they know they did. See, that's why they can't sleep. They're up every night. And this is why this person isn't moving forward with you just yet, because they got to figure this out. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But I'm seeing here that, yeah, there was some type of family situation. And this is why they're not moving forward with you just yet. And they're stuck trying to make a decision about how to come towards you, you know, with this family situation, whether it's like their own family or they have like immediate family members that were interfering. But I do feel like they want to still have a family with you. They want this to work. But see, they were being sneaky in the past. And that was the problem. That was the problem. And you had to cut them off. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. There's a Libra right there. But see, I feel like this person could be talking to someone. I don't know why I just heard lawyer. So, you see what I'm saying? There's somebody here that could be married. There could be some type of like, it's just some type of legal situation. Somebody's consulting with a lawyer. Because I clearly just heard lawyer. But I feel like whatever the situation is, Sagittarius, you're getting your justice. However this person, like, played you, they messed up, they're getting their karma. Let that play out. Because, see, now they're frustrated that they lost you for good. See? They're worried. This person is worried. You hear me? Because one minute they know, they make the decision as far as like, okay, I'm going to come in, I'm going to stay and do X, Y, and Z. But the next minute they're undecided about how to, you know, go about fixing the situation. Because they're afraid things may not improve. But this person isn't confused. They're coming to you, Sagittarius. They're coming. They're coming out of feeling frustrated. But they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow because of some type of home or family situation. I do feel like they want to have a home or family with you, but you see, they know you're not being positive about them. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Oh my gosh. Sagittarius, I'm telling you. Y'all, this is your person. This is definitely, I feel like this is a twin flame reading. Hands down. Do you see the king and the queen of wands here? And they're both reversed. So, somebody's definitely dealing with a fire sign. But let me tell you guys this. Let me just say this. This could be a soulmate. But honestly, for whoever I'm really talking to out there, this is your twin. You know it. You know this is your twin. You've had confirmation. This is your twin, hands down. And let me explain something to you. When these two people sit upright, it's like when things are good, oh, they're amazing. But when they're reversed, when things are bad, all hell's getting ready to break loose. Like, I mean, it's war. Do you hear me? And it's like this person is moving extremely slow. But see, I'm telling y'all, there's communication coming in. Whoever messed up, they're going to be reaching out to you. Whether it's through social media, they're going to call you, text you. You're going to hear from them. They're going to have the confidence to come towards you. See, I can't make this up. There's communication coming in. This person wants to tell you that they want to have a new beginning with you. They want to start over with you. Oh, Sagittarius. They want a commitment with you. Okay. I heard put it back. Okay, hold on. Wow, these cards keep jumping out. Let me just look because I didn't hear anything on this one. Okay. So, I'm seeing that, yes, you're going to hear from them. They want to have a commitment with you. But they know that they have to speak their truth, right? They just don't have the strength to do it because they feel like you don't want to put any more time or energy into them. They were being a player. This person was rushing in and out of your life. This has been going on for a long time for some of you guys. And I feel like now they don't want to rush in and out anymore. They don't want to be a player. They don't want to play games with you at all. But they just don't have the courage to speak up, to speak their truth. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But y'all see there's two people here. I'm seeing two queens. It could be two kings. But there's still two people here. And that's why this person, they were playing around. This person was definitely being a player, entertaining someone else or other people, you know. And this is the problem. Tell me more. They got to tell you the truth about this. See? This person's keeping an eye on you. I feel like both of y'all have been watching each other, to be honest with you. Y'all been kind of keeping an eye on each other. But see, they're afraid that things aren't going to improve. Look at that. There's 2 9s. This cycle that's been going on is coming to an end. This was a lesson. This was a lesson for your person. And see, now they're sitting back reflecting on everything. And now they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. They're sad because they feel like they lost you. And they're trying to make a decision on how to win you back. Why is the devil here? Somebody could be dealing with, I don't know if I said it, sorry if I didn't, a Virgo. Somebody also could be dealing with a Capricorn. But yeah, this person is afraid because they don't want you to walk away from them. Because I'm seeing that they want to give you this cup of love. It's the offer that you deserve. This person in the past, yeah, they were being stagnant. They didn't make a move. Now they're getting ready to make a move, guys. Could be dealing with a Gemini. But Spirit is saying because they didn't balance things out with you in the past, they're not listening to their intuition because they're so worried that because they left you out in the cold, you're not going to take this offer. They want to heal things with you, but see, this person is upset within themselves because of how they let this thing play out. You know, they could have been, I thought they could have handled the situation way better, but they were being buttholes, you know. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but I'm telling you, this person wants happiness with you. Maybe, oh, see, I'm seeing a baby. Tell me more. There's a baby. Okay. So, listen. This is, okay, so look, I'm going to give it to y'all both ways. So, Sagittarius. This person could have had a child or children with someone else. And this is why they're upset, because I'm saying they want to give an offer to you. For others of you, this could be a situation to where they're coming to you because it's like they want to have a child or children with you. You know, this could be the gift that they're trying to give you because they know that a child is supposed to come out of this union. They've messed up. They played around. So I feel like, yeah, something was shown to them. Like they could have had an epiphany, but now it's like they're losing hope. They're feeling like it's not going to happen because of what they did in the past. You know, if they have a family with someone else, or if there was family that was involved or interfering, this is why they're worried. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. But see, this person is going to put in the work to win you back, but right now they're feeling stuck in a situation. And that's the problem. They do want to heal things with you because they don't want you to feel like, it's like they just want to heal things with you. It's like they stabbed you in the back one too many times. Again, I'm telling you, they want things to improve with you, but it is completely up to you. You know, if you want to take this person back. Ooh, Sagittarius, you guys have got to leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you. If you're interested in a personal reading, I will leave my information in the description box. I will say, yes, email me. I will be doing the personal readings or starting back doing personal readings next week, but I got you. Just email me if you're interested. Okay, guys, I love you all. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Sagittarius. Bye, Sagittarius. Bye, Sagittarius.